In this video, I'll guide you through how to translate emails in Gmail step by step so you can quickly understand messages written in other languages without leaving your inbox. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your main inbox page, look through your messages and click on the email you want to translate. This could be any email that's written in a language you don't fully understand, or even a language you just feel more comfortable reading in translation. When the email opens, take a moment to scroll if it's long so you can see the full content. This is helpful so you can compare the original language with the translated version later if you want to. Next, look for the More Options menu inside the email. This is usually represented by a small icon with 3 vertical dots, and it's located near the top right area of the email message on the same line as the reply button. Move your mouse over to those 3 dots and click on them. This will open a drop-down menu with several different options for that specific message. From that drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Translate Message. Go ahead and click on Translate Message. When you select this, Gmail will automatically detect the language of the email and bring up a translation bar near the top of the message. Now it's time to choose the language you want to read the email in. In the translation bar, you'll usually see something like Translate to, followed by a language. Click on that language name to open a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and find the language you prefer. For example, you might change it to English, Spanish, French, or any other language that works best for you. Once you click on your chosen language, Gmail will refresh the body of the email and display the translated version right away. You should now see the email's content rewritten in the language you selected. Give it a quick read to make sure everything looks understandable. Keep in mind that this translation is done automatically, so while it's usually good enough to understand the main idea, it might not be perfect or word for word accurate. If you want to double check the original wording, look again at the translation bar. You'll often have an option to show the original message, so you can switch back and forth between the original language and the translation. This can be especially useful if you're familiar with the language but need help with certain phrases or technical terms. You can repeat this process with any other email you receive in a different language. Just open the email, click the More Options icon with the 3 dots, choose Translate Message, and then select the language you want to read it in. Over time, this becomes a quick habit and makes it much easier to manage international communication or messages from contacts around the world. That's all there is to it. By using Gmail's built-in translation feature, you can turn confusing foreign language emails into clear, readable messages in just a few clicks without copying and pasting text into another website or tool.